I'm out of breath. Should I do Santa Maria without the guide? Should I bring my camera with me? I don't want my actions to be led by fear. On the other hand, I don't want to be just ignoring all the danger that might be around. I've been in Guatemala just for one day. I think I didn't get yet enough feeling for the country, so I don't know. A few friends did the Santa Maria and they didn't have any situation, and probably many people do it, but then sometimes you can be the chosen one to be robbed. Okay, I would not carry money, maybe like $3. Instead of walking, you can just come with jeeps like that. If there will be no intent of attack, I will be like, I could have recorded a very difficult hike and how to do it by yourself and share it with you. On the other hand, if they steal it from me, then I will not be able to share any other stories with you. Another question is, should I take the phone? But if I do it by myself, then I have to kind of keep track on the trek. So not taking the phone would be a disaster. But taking it and losing it would be a bit of a horror. Maybe today in a hostel or somewhere I will meet someone who would want to go there also by themselves, and then it would be much better. Well, hopefully. Just left the lagoon. I'll try to get a pickup. Another one that would rip me off. We don't let get ripped off. No. Not on this channel. Not in this life. I have no idea where this music comes from, but it's accompanying me for already probably an hour. I was wrong, it wasn't just there. It's just there now. There's still a bit to go.